Today we're not diving into how J.D. Vance dramatically shifted from opposing Trump to becoming his running mate and winning the election. Nor are we going to explore his legendary upbringing. Those stories can feel pretty far removed from our everyday lives. Instead, my friend, let's focus on J.D. Vance as a financial wizard. His path to wealth offers plenty for us to learn from. Recently, Vance's stock holdings were disclosed, and what stands out is a balanced investment strategy that has outperformed 99.9% of fund managers. His portfolio is quite straightforward: 75% in US stocks, 15% inflation hedges, and 10% in recession protection. While this may seem simple at first glance, there's a lot more depth to it. Within his US stock allocation, he evenly split his investment among the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. The 50% allocation to inflation hedges includes gold, Bitcoin, and oil, while the remaining 10% is in US Treasuries to guide against the recession. So, for someone aiming to make America great again, this portfolio is practically a wealth manifesto that also maximizes risk diversification while staying true to his public persona. It's both simple and profound. So what can we, the everyday investors, take away from this? With his venture capital background, where does this future vice president choose to invest? Let's break it all down today. Hi, my friend. I'm Sheila Wang. I'm here to update the most cutting-edge and fresh business and investment information for you. So don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe my channel. I also welcome you to join the discussion in the comment section below. Now, let's dive into today's topic together. First, let's assess how much profit Vances Portfolio has generated. It looks like he primarily invests in ETFs for US stocks, with a total portfolio value of around $8 million. His top three holdings are broad market ETFs. This straightforward yet road-based allocation showcases Vance's conservative and diversified investment approach, my friend. His position in these broad market ETFs indicates a bullish view on both tech and large-cap stocks, suggesting he sees substantial growth potential in these areas. In addition to ETFs, Vance also holds Bitcoin ETF. This shows his interest in the cryptocurrency market. Despite its volatility, he believes in its long-term investment value. Gold ETF. Gold is classic safe haven asset, highlighting his cautious stance towards market uncertainties. Treasury ETFs. US Treasuries are a solid investment choice, reflecting his risk management strategy. Rumble, a social media platform. After Trump nominated Vance, Rumble stock surged by 28%, closing up 20%. This indicates strong market confidence in Vance's political future. Oil ETF. His investment in oil suggests that he's keeping a close eye on the energy market, believing there's potential for the prices to rise. So folks, after dissecting Vance's investment strategy, it's clear that he's a savvy player when it comes to wealth generation. With high financial intelligence and a knack for exploring diverse income streams, he's a prime example of a self-made entrepreneur worth emulating. Let's take a page from his playbook and see how we can apply these strategies to our own financial journeys. Now, my friend, let's talk about J.D. Vance and his passive income power moves. And I think that will spark your mind. So, what makes J.D. Vance so impressive is his knack for generating passive income, my friend. We are talking about his books, media appearances, and royalties, and film adaptation rights from Hypothetical. According to 2021 report, Vance raked in about $475,000 million in royalty from that book alone. On top of that, he's pulling in nearly $70,000 from speaking engagements at colleges and public events. And with his rising influence over the years, you can bet that numbers has seen some serious growth, my friend. Now, how can we ordinary folks learn from this? Well, consider diving into self-media and maybe even publishing your own book. Speaking of which, I'm excited to share that I'm currently writing a little book about investing. Stay tuned for updates. I hope you will follow along. Plus, I also have paid analysis articles as I'm dedicated to using my expertise to provide valuable investment insight to more investors. So that's also the tips that we can learn from the GD ones. Now let's look at another income source. Vance's salary from SMCI. It's just your typical paycheck for working a job. But how should we view a regular paycheck? If you send it merely as a labor wage, I bet you won't get much more out of that job than just your salary. We need to recognize that a job platform can also serve as a launching pad for our careers, my friend. Besides honoring our skills, we can collaborate with others on the platform, expanding our network and accessing more resources from personal growth. For example, as a financial YouTuber, I create content on YouTube, as you say, and every video generates a bit of income. It may not be a fortune, but I see it as a value I'm creating on the platform. Huge thanks to all of you, my friend, who've supported my channel and enjoy the content. I couldn't be here without you. Additionally, I collaborate with other platforms like Thinking Alpha and Moomoo, an investment software platform. They pay me for some sponsored content integrated in my videos. For instance, I will highlight Moomoo's latest promotions when I believe they're beneficial for my audience. And here comes the Moomoo's incredible welcome bonus, available for a limited time only. This exceptional offer, you can unlock the keys to supercharge earnings on your uninvested cash. Enroll and activate today to secure an unbelievable 4.35% annual percentage yield and additional 3.75% base rate for the next 3 months. That's amount to 8.1% annual percentage yield, more than double the national average. Amazing, my friend. If I think this advertisement won't harm my viewers and may even offer some advantageous conditions, it's a win-win situation. Thanks for your patience, and I share my experience with passive income and strategies for generating it. I hope this helps you and your financial journey. Alright, my friend, let's dive back into JD Vance stock pricing logic. Here's the deal. They're saying in Silicon Valley, if you want to understand someone, check out his investment portfolio. JD Vance's success isn't just a luck. He's had some serious guidance along the way. Today, let's talk about the key players behind Vance and explore the companies he's investing in to make his money. Initially, Vance worked at a venture capital firm owned by one of Silicon Valley's heavyweights, Peter Thiel, as a co-founder of the PayPal, and an early investor in Facebook, making him a major player in the tech world. Thiel has a quirk habit of naming his investments after characters from The Lord of the Rings. The firm Vance joined was called Mithril, named after the mythical metal used for making armor in the epic tale. Fast forward a few years, the Vance, showing his talents, launched his own fund called Naya. Yeah, another nod to the Lord of the Rings, this time referring to the Ring of the Fire. Thiel generously backed Vance with a cool $100 million to support his investment endeavors. When Vance decided to run for office, Thiel came through again, donating $50 million to his campaign and rallied a host of Silicon Valley elites to back him financially. So who are these big names supporting him? We're talking about the likes of Mark Anderson's from the A16Z, partners from Sequoia Capital, and other notable figures in the tech scene. It's clear that Vance has a robust network of tech titans backing him. Let's take a look at what Vance is investing in through his firm, Naya. I've got a summary of his portfolio here, and it's pretty wide-ranging. Heavily focused on cutting-edge technology. Interesting company in his lineup is called, which allows people to invest in U.S. farmland. This might resonate with Vance's roots from the Rust Belt in America. Vance is clearly bullish on these innovative sectors. These are also two standout companies worth mentioning. One is called Chapter, focusing on the silver economy, helping elder Americans find matching benefits and services. The other is Hello, an online prayers application and connects people spiritually. Through these investments, it's evident that Vance sees significant potential in leading-edge technology and its benefits for America. Now, let's unfold the bigger picture. Many are predicting that if Vance follows Trump into the White House, he will push even harder for U.S. tech company. We also know he has a strong anti-China stance, which suggests that he might accelerate technology decouple between China and U.S. This growing tech rivalry and China's push for technological independence could be a critical topic to watch closely. In summary, J.D. Vance's investment portfolio reviews his optimistic outlook on the U.S. stock market, especially regarding tech and large-cap stocks. He also shows a cautious approach with his holding in gold and treasuries. His investments in Bitcoin and oil suggests that he's not afraid to take a higher risk, higher reward opportunities. Vance's unique blend of political and investment background makes him a fascinating figure. And from my point of view, his strategies reflect not only personal investment preference, but also his insights about future economic conditions. As he moves forward, his action will continue to attract market and public attention. By understanding J.D. Vance, we got a glimpse of rising political figure and a peek into his investment philosophy. Whether as a writer, entrepreneur, or potential vice president, J.D. Vance showcases exceptional talent and influence across multiple fields. So my friends, through Vance, we can uncover a key to wealth. It's not just about hard work. It's about strategy and seizing the right opportunities.